How to send message on Badoo app. First, open the Badoo app and make sure you are logged in. Find the person you want to message. You can either search for them using the search feature or browse, discover, or go through your encounter a message. Tap on the person's profile picture to view their full profile. Here you can see their photo, bios, and interests. Tap on the message icon, use the chat bubble, and tap it to open the chat window. Now type your message in the text box. Keep it friendly, fun, and respectful. First impression matters. Send the message, and your message will be delivered. If they reply, you will see it in your chat section. Keep the conversation going, engage naturally, ask questions, and don't overthink. Badoo is all about making connection and having fun. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And see you in the next video. And thank you for watching.